Mobility scooters help seniors stay independent and get around more easily, but when you start shopping, it quickly becomes overwhelming. There's so many options out there. Some have 3 wheels, others have 4, some fold up and others don't. And if you're not careful, it's easy to pick the wrong one. So to help you out, I spent some time doing the research, reading through tons of reviews and narrowing down to the 10 best mobility scooters. And if you find something you like, I'll leave links to all the mobility scooters in the description below. First up is the PiSec S3 Pro Mobility Scooter, which I ranked as the best foldable. And this one folds down in seconds through 2 simple steps. And after that, it's compact enough to slide into a trunk. It also comes with 2 removable lithium batteries, which give you up to 40 miles of range. And since the batteries pop out easily, you could charge them indoors without bringing in the whole scooter inside. Now the air-filled tires help smooth out bumps on sidewalks and uneven paths, and the aluminum alloy frame keeps it strong without feeling heavy. You also get 3 speed modes, topping out at 6.2 miles per hour, and up front there's a 6.1-inch HD screen that shows your speed and battery, plus the tiller adjusts so you can set the handle height to your comfort. And for safety, the AI stability system slows you down during turns or downhill riding to help prevent tipping. It even gives voice warnings if something doesn't seem right. So if you want a foldable scooter that feels sturdy and travel friendly, then the PiSec S3 Pro Mobility Scooter fits perfectly. Up next is the Bariatric folding scooter, which I ranked as the best lightweight 3-wheel scooter. And on a full charge, it's rated for 28 miles, which is more than enough for some errands. And since the battery is detachable, charging it is easy. It also has a powerful 700-watt dual motor that helps with slopes up to 15 degrees, so it doesn't feel weak when the path isn't flat. And even though it's portable, it doesn't feel fragile. The aluminum frame keeps it light for what it is, but it still supports up to 310 pounds. People also love how comfortable it feels to ride. You get adjustable handle height, a cushioned seat, and 10-inch air tires that smooth out rough sidewalks. It also comes with lights and baskets, and the tight turning radius makes it easy to use indoors. So if you're after something light, comfortable, and powerful enough for daily use, the Bariatric folding scooter is a great option. Next up, we've got the Aficum Afis Scooter S4Y, which I ranked as the best 2-person scooter. And it's made for 2 riders sitting side by side, so it feels more comfortable than a front and back setup. And since it's wide and 4-wheeled, it stays stable outdoors. Plus it runs on a 1400-watt motor, and you can expect around 36 to 38 miles per charge, depending on weight and the surface you're riding on. And top speed is about 9 miles per hour, which is quick for a mobility scooter, but it still feels controlled. Now the tires are air-filled like bicycle tires, so they naturally absorb bumps and cracks in the road a lot better than solid tires. Besides that, the seat is orthopedic style, so it supports your back better on longer rides. And it comes in different widths, so you can choose the fit that feels best. And if you want to build it out even more, there are optional upgrades like a canopy, rear storage box, and cane holder. So if you're looking for something strong, outdoor ready, and built for 2 people, go with the Aficum Afis Scooter S4 dual seat scooter. Up next is the iLiving i3 electric scooter, which I ranked as the best lightweight foldable. And with the battery included, it weighs about 60 pounds, while many scooters feel almost twice as heavy. It also folds in 2 steps and rolls like a suitcase, so it's much easier to manage. Besides that, you also get a bigger 17-inch seat, and the seat height makes getting on and off a lot easier. For everyday riding, it goes about 2 to 4 miles per hour, and the 48-inch turning radius helps it turn smoothly in tighter spaces. Range is up to 14 miles per charge, and if you want more distance, there's an option to equip 2 batteries. It also has electromagnetic brakes, so when you let go of the throttle, it slows down smoothly on its own. Now it's rear-wheel drive, so the motor powers the back wheels instead of the front, and that gives you better grip overall. And the battery compartment locks with a key, which is helpful when you're out in public. Just know that the motor is 120 watts and the max incline is 8 degrees, so it works great on light slopes, but it's not the best choice for steep hills. But if portability is your top priority, then you won't regret getting the iLiving i3 electric scooter. Up next is the Lactom 4-wheel mobility scooter, which I ranked as the best heavy duty. And most mobility scooters max out at around 300 pounds, which leaves a lot of people out of options, but this one handles 500 pounds comfortably, and the heavy-duty frame feels solid under you. The 800-watt motor is more powerful than standard scooters too, and it tops out at 15 miles per hour, and that's fast enough to keep up with traffic on neighborhood streets. And you can adjust the speed anywhere from 1 to 15 miles per hour with the variable speed dial. It also runs on a long-range battery, so it works well for full days out. Now with 16-inch fat tires and dual rear shocks, it rides a lot smoother on rough ground like grass, gravel, and even some light snow. You also get full lighting, fold-up armrests, plus a deluxe captain seat that reclines. And storage is covered with space under the seat and a rear basket. It even includes a keychain remote so you can lock and unlock it or trigger an alarm. So if you've been frustrated by low weight limits, then the Lactom 4-wheel mobility scooter is the perfect pick. Next up is the Green Transport Cheetah Ninja, which I ranked as the best bariatric. And it supports roughly 500 pounds, just like other heavy-duty scooters, but it feels smoother than most because of the ATV-like independent suspension that spreads bumps across all 4 wheels instead of sending every hit straight to the seat. And power is another big reason people love it. The 1100-watt motor can climb inclines up to 35 degrees, making it a strong choice for ramps, parking garages, or hilly neighborhoods. And top speed hits 15 miles per hour, and the soft start acceleration keeps it from jerking forward when you press the throttle. On top of that, the tires are built with deeper thread for better grip across different surfaces, and the lithium battery gives you about 25 miles of range. The swivel seat also helps a lot because getting on and off is easier, which matters more as body size increases. And it uses electronic braking, so it slows itself down when you let go of the throttle. So if you need some extra capacity and still want comfort and power, then go with the Green Transport Cheetah Ninja. Up next is the Green Transporter Q Express, which I ranked as the best enclosed. And for all-season protection and passenger carrying, nothing comes close to this one. It has a fully enclosed cabin with power windows, a rear window, and even a sunroof, so bad weather won't stop you from getting where you need to go. And the defroster keeps the windows clear, which really helps on chilly mornings or humid days. And in the back, the bench seat gives you 34 inches of space, so there's plenty of room for people or cargo. Now the backup camera also makes parking and reversing much easier. Up front, the LCD display is clear, and the radio has USB, Bluetooth, and aux, so longer drives feel more enjoyable. Now the 1200-watt brushless motor can reach 18 miles per hour, climb up to 25-degree inclines, and gives you around 25 to 35 miles of range. And it also carries up to 550 pounds. And thanks to the disc brakes and suspension, you'll feel less vibration and road shock. Just keep in mind that it uses lead-acid batteries, so they're going to be heavier and take longer to charge than regular lithium ones. But if you need a comfortable ride you can use in any weather, then the Green Transporter Q Express won't let you down. Up next is the Drive Medical Scout, which I ranked as the best 3-wheel scooter. And turning in small spaces can be frustrating, but this one keeps it simple. With 3 wheels and a 45.5-inch turning radius, it slips through doorways or store aisles without any trouble. It also breaks down fast into smaller pieces, and the heaviest part is only about 29 pounds, so most people can lift it into a trunk pretty easily. Besides that, the seat swivels and adjusts in height. The armrests are padded, and the Delta tiller makes steering feel much lighter. Now I would say this isn't a powered focus scooter. It runs on a 270-watt motor, handles about a 6-degree incline, and gives you around 9 miles of range. That's perfect for everyday errands, but it's not really meant for long outdoor rides. But for the essentials, it does a great job. It supports 300 pounds, and the anti-tip wheels help it stay steady, and the flat-free tires means no worrying about punctures. So if you want something reliable for indoor use and tight spaces, then the Drive Medical Scout is the one to choose. Next is the iScooter 3-wheels mobility scooter, which I ranked as the best value. And this one gives you a lot for the money. It turns easily thanks to the 3-wheel design, and it automatically slows down during turns to help you stay steady. You also get anti-tip wheels, plus an LED headlight and a reverse beeping alarm for extra safety. Now on a full charge, it goes up to 12.4 miles, and top speed is 5 miles per hour, and it can carry around 264 pounds. It comes ready for errands as well. The basket pops off and has handles, so it works like a shopping basket. The cup holder keeps your drink within reach, and there's a USB charging port to keep your phone powered. And you can tell the padding is made for comfort too. Plus the seat swivels for easier entry, and the armrests flip up when you need some extra room. And you can also adjust everything to get a better fit. So if you want a well-equipped scooter at a reasonable price, the iScooter 3 Wheels mobility scooter is definitely a great deal. Finally, at number 1 is the Vive 4-wheel mobility scooter, which I ranked as the best overall. Whether it's hardwood, carpet, or a rough sidewalk, the 4 wheels help it stay balanced and comfortable. Besides that, the seat rotates so you can face where you want before stepping off. You can also adjust the height with a quick lever pull and flip up the padded armrests whenever you want them out of the way. The 8-inch tires are flat-free and won't leave marks on your floors either. Plus it breaks down fast into 4 pieces with no tools required. And if you fold the tiller and take off the seat, it fits into the back of most cars. Now I've seen a lot of scooters where the battery meter is tiny and hard to read, so I like that this one is color-coded and easy to check at a glance. And since the speed dial sits right on the tiller, you can easily adjust your pace up to 3.7 miles per hour, and the 5-year warranty is also a great bonus. So if you're looking for a well-rounded scooter you can trust over time, the Vive 4-wheel mobility scooter is the perfect choice. And that's all for today. I hope this list helped you choose the perfect mobility scooter. And if you find something you like, don't forget to check the description to find the links to all the mobility scooters mentioned in this video. Thanks for watching.